Good morning from Graham Family Farm. It's November 23rd, 2025, around 10 a.m. Just got back from the American Legions. We had breakfast, some friends. It's about 41 degrees. It's really foggy this morning. It still is in the valley, but here, see some blue in the sky, which is good. Supposed to be cloudy today. It gets us the clouds after the fog goes away. So kind of foggy over there to the west. Down the valley it was really thick this morning. Yeah, they're all taken care of. So I'll go back up to the house and probably get a cup of coffee and then get ready to start painting the garage some more.